We will not accept politics of intimidation. Kama mtu anataka kutusafirisha kwenda mbinguni, pengine Mungu atamsafirisha mbele yetu.
Yes.
Lakini we are not going to be intimidated. And anybody who sends attack dogs to insult leaders asking how many votes we got, open the server. What are you fearing?
Open the server.
Open the server, we verify how many votes. Kama ni mbili tutashukuru. What are you afraid of? You cannot continue to refuse to open the server and send attack dogs, and this is to William Ruto, not to anybody else, and send your attack dogs to walk around asking derisively how many votes did we get. Open the server.
Our political parties should be left alone to conduct their own business, particularly Jubilee Party. Therefore, we have no business at Bomas if those two basic minimums are not met. Reduction in the cost of living and paying fidelity to the law as regards political party. Leave Jubilee alone. Do your own thing and let us do our own thing. Thank you.
No need of talking about that document if it's not addressing the cost of living, or why would we bother with it? If it is not addressing the invasion of Jubilee by UDA, what is the use of that document to us? We can continue managing ourselves the way you have done it. In any case, Ruto never intended it for good. He's been wasting people's time there. But we also have been using the time to organize ourselves, including many things like you have seen. Asante sana.
Yes, we are planning ourselves. The bipartisan talks were a waste of time. It was a diversion of concentration, but we captured the matter very early. We were there to say we want more constituencies, we want Kiambu to be divided into several other counties, but we then later realized that this was just a diversion and time wasting.